In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scrolling text effect using the animation tool in Canva. Whether you're looking to create engaging social media stories, impactful presentations, or captivating video content, mastering this technique will add a professional flair to your designs. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva's homepage and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, signing up is easy and free. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed. Canva is user-friendly, but having a good grip on where things are will make this process smoother. Now, over on the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu. This is your control hub. Click on the plus Create button to start a new project. We're going to work with a canvas that's sized for mobile video. So, go ahead and select the 1080 by 1920 pixel option. This size works beautifully for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Next, it's time to bring your design vision to life. If you've got specific text and imagery in mind, now's the time to add those elements to your canvas. Play around with fonts, colors, and layouts to suit your style or brand. Once your design is set, it's crucial to arrange your elements appropriately. Find the floating toolbar, usually appearing as you select elements on your canvas. Hover to the left and click Position. Here, ensure that your text layers aren't overlapping with elements you intend to animate. It's good practice to place text layers at the back of your design stack. This way, when animating, the text can flow smoothly without any visual obstructions. Now, click directly on your text. This action will highlight the text box and bring up more options. Looking again at that floating toolbar, hover to the left once more, and this time you're going to click on Animate. This button will open a variety of animation options for you. Among these, you'll find a feature called Bee Animation. Don't be daunted by the name. This is where you'll create your custom scrolling effect. To animate, select Create an Animation under the Custom options. With the text highlighted, hold down the Shift key and drag your text box upwards. This action emulates the scroll-up effect. Follow through by adjusting the speed and direction in the animation settings to match your desired pace and style. Once satisfied, play back your design to ensure everything flows as expected. Adjust, tweak, and polish until you achieve a smooth scrolling effect. Practicing these adjustments can greatly enhance your final output, giving it that professional touch. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add dynamic scrolling text to your Canva projects. With this technique under your belt, your digital content is sure to stand out and impress. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing what creative designs you bring to life using Canva's powerful tools.